HTML HTML attributes are used to add more information to an HTML element. Important thing to remember. HTML attributes are founded in HTML tag. HTML attribute only appearance at static tag. It will be never be on in tag. HTML element can be have multiple attributes are composed of names values pair. There are some attributes that can be used on all HTML element throughout may not have affected on some element. They are also called a global attribute. Basic text enclosed within text. Different text random different meaning. Head tag this element enclose everything inside of an document. It is include tag. Title tag whatever written comes up in web pages tag. Body tag this element includes element like head tag, paragraph tag, bold tag, italic tag. HTML tag are element names surrounded by anchor bracket. Let's start it. Heading tag, body, bold and italic. H1 heading. This is a paragraph, bold and italic. Like and subscribe and share.